Hello everyone and welcome to A Story About My Uncle. I'm Wolfgang X and welcome to the first episode of A Story About My Uncle. Well, let's explain what the game is by playing the game. So, I'm gonna begin from the beginning, and I already played this game on my own,
Dad?
but
Aren't
oh
you
well.
sleeping yet? It's time for bed, honey.
You can read the
Dad,
subtitles,
I
but you
can't
can just
Can
listen
you
to
tell me
me.
a bedtime story?
Well,
All right.
yeah, it was
What do you want to hear?
a pretty nice
Something-
game. You will see how
something
it
about an
plays out.
adventure.
I think I know just the thing. When I was your age, my biggest dream was to follow my Uncle Fred on one of his adventures around the world. One day, he disappeared.
Okay, so I'm right
I
now.
stepped into the lobby
I
of my
am.
uncle's house. It lay just across the hill from where I lived with my mother, your grandmother. She had tried to keep me from going, but I wanted to see
Well,
if Fred was home yet from his latest adventure.
I am this little kid here, and there is some stuff here on the Dame's daddy's helmet, and he was Uncle Fred's probably is an inventor, but I don't know. Maybe his dad was, because this is his helmet. We can stuff like it looks like the first scuba helmet, so that's that. So I'm gonna.
My uncle used to send
Okay.
me postcards from his long journeys. Greetings from Nepal, Galapagos, Kilimanjaro, the Amazon River. This was the first time he had left without a word, without sending cards.
Well, that's cool, but as you can see, he has never been to Russia. Funny, just something I want to mention since I saw it. Has he been to? No. We'll get to the cool part in a second.
I had visited Uncle Fred's house
Wait.
countless of times, but in the locker, which usually was closed, I found something I hadn't seen before. It was an adventure suit. It resembled the one that Fred used, but smaller in size.
Well, I'm gonna put
Curiosity
that
got
on.
the better of me, and I tried it on. It fit like it had been custom made for me.
There is my hand. Oh wait, I have got mod on. Wait a second, just wait. That's just something I want to put off. Yep. So now my hand isn't a goat
The
hand.
most mysterious room of my uncle's house was the observatory. There he kept his newest experiments, and right now it held a pad used for disposing of garbage. Uncle
Indeed.
Fred had warned me not to touch any of his things. But, as I said, I was a curious child.
Well, now I'm not going to spoil it. It's gonna be pretty cool. Just wait. It's probably gonna pull me in. Or actually, I know it will, but... Yep. But I can hold it back. As you can see, I can just walk around and... Oh, well, I can't. And I'm flying. Roll credits! Yep, roll credits. Well, it's gonna be one heck of an adventure. It's probably gonna be like a few episodes long or something. But it's gonna be cool, I promise.
I landed with a crash, but thanks to the suit I wasn't hurt. I had no idea where the pad had taken me, but back then I didn't care so much about where I was going. or
Don't really.
how I would get home. The suit protected me from falls
Oh
on the
god.
ground, but not in water.
Well.
I couldn't swim with this
Well.
thing on. Best be careful.
That is one feature of the game. Shouldn't have spoiled it, but hey. Okay, so it's for now. It's parkour. I have to jump around and stuff, and it's not cool until we get our crystal. And our crystal's on. And when you
sure
hear a
someone
beeping sound,
had been here before me. Someone had built these bridges and carved these symbols, but who? Where were they now?
well, I don't know. That's the first thing, and just anything. And this is a collectible. That is where I got goat mode from, which when I became a goat. Yay, I got a goat hand. And normally my suits beam and anything crosshair to the light it displays. It's normally blue, like this color blue. And I know I have to go that way, but here is something for the story. So, it isn't a collectible, but it is something you might want to know.
How did you know Fred had been there?
Well, I found a small campsite where Fred must have slept before going further into the caves. I knew it was him because the place was littered with empty packages of his favorite hiking foods. Canned soups, tube food, and instant noodles.
Tube food? That sounds gross.
Oh well, it's not that bad. One winter, Uncle Fred and I went hiking into the mountains, and we were surprised by a blizzard. We were stuck in a small cabin for 2 days, and all we ate was tube food, and cold canned goulash as well. Your grandmother was worried sick, but I thought it was all very exciting.
Well, he's kind of crazy, but hey. That's him. Bit of lag here. Oh, come on. Well, it's a bit of lag here. I know for sure, but it's kind of a problem I have to deal with. Yeah, and I swear it'll get better over time. So cool. So I have to go this way, and I'm falling. Now I have to go further and further. And here is my first energy core.
The power core I found activated the
Or
suit's
power
grappling
core.
device when I picked it up. It must have been left here by my uncle.
So you can just hold it and you can release, and it'll fling you forward. Just like a grappling hook. That means it's gonna be cool. And as you can see, there's only one light on at the moment for the grapple device.
The
So
grappling device left a sort of symbol everywhere I grappled. I noticed similar symbols already there in the cave, and I was getting more and more certain that this place was where Fred had gone.
there, I will eventually find 3 power cores, and it will be much more fun. Much more fun. Boom, did it. But this is not the place I want to go. Want to go there. Because there is a collectible. Well, it doesn't show up as a collectible, but it's what do I have to well, I can certainly get up there, so it's not really a problem. So Why had Fred been there? Well, find out. Oh, because of this reason. Well, that's that. Hitting the thing and boom. Yeah, of course. I reach far off
Adventure Suit
areas.
was fantastic. By combining a power leap with a grapple,
Oh,
I could
come
fly
on.
long distances through the air at great speed.
Oh, wait. What? Which what? Which? Oh, I'm here. Okay, that's cool. To make sure I'm going the right way, I always use my grapple so I don't overjump or underjump. Well, underjump, I would call it. So I don't make mistakes. Music is also kind of nice in this game. And it always will be. When the music kicks in, it'll be amazing. Because now it's just ambient sound and normal sounds. Well, that's that. Landed it. And sometimes, yes, it lags. Have to deal with it. It has motion blur, so that's that. I have to pick up the stone, grapple on the stone. So this game is a bit about gaming and aiming and timing your stuff. When you release too early, you don't go there. When you release too late, you go over it. There's a little consequence you have to deal with. Did I just hear? I think I didn't. No, I didn't. So there's one stone here. I gotta use that to, well, fly. Eddie, I believe I can fly song. Well, I can't. Well, actually, I did good. Didn't do bad. I'm gonna have to pick that one up. Okay, this one's a hard one to do. See? Always do too early. It is that I don't have 2 power cores. Oh, it'll get fun when I have 3. I have a little bandage on my finger. Don't worry. Doesn't really matter. What? It left me! It left me! Come on! I'm not ending before I complete this freaking level. Oh, come on. Come on. Can't like not do that? Like, seriously? I think I have to look at it for it to work. Because gonna boom. This is how you get up somewhere. And here I have a little trick, which is kind of cool to look at it. Woo. See? That's one of the cooler things. Might have to put down the graphics next time. Second power core. Yes. Because now I can grapple 2 times before landing. So, do this. I'll get the last one very soon. There's gonna be a lot of cutscenes and It's gonna be a lot of cutscenes and stuff like that. Because it's kind of an experience, not really a game. But it does require some skill to play. So I hear that thing. Right there. Glitches a bit right there. Well, next one. Boom. Taking it. Wait, what? Forgot. As you could have seen, my right mouse button isn't zooming anymore, but it's... Come on. It isn't zooming anymore. Come on. I did bad. It's not zooming anymore, but the power thingy. Well, now I have to do it. Wait, what? So, I'm the worst. Come on! Gonna have to try harder. This was easy. I don't remember this being hard. I don't even remember. Come on, I'm clicking the damn thing. Oh. Okay, go again. What? Why does it do that every time? Replugging my freaking mouse. Just like that. Mouse is back again. It's also lagging. Don't like that, but hey, have to deal with it. Now it works again. Seriously. So, it's gonna be a long video, I think. Don't know. It may already be half an hour of gameplay right here. I might chop it up in 2 segments. I don't even know how long it will. Oh, come on! I don't even know how long this will take. I don't even know how long it is right now. So it's probably gonna take me a long time. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. My mouse is good mouse. Oh god. No, I just didn't do that. I hate it when it does stuff like that. And I missed it. Just clicking. Okay, the next one. Okay. Finally. Well, it says go left, so I'm going left. Yes.
Did you ever see any of Fred's experiments yourself?
Yes, I actually helped him collect samples for
Ooh,
his research sometimes.
that looks weird.
To learn about them?
That's right. We found all sorts of things.
Oh god.
One time, we went to the forest and found a small pool of water that was full of eggs.
Eggs? Were there chickens in the forest?
No, not chicken eggs. These were small and jelly-like, hundreds of them. Fred told me that they were frog eggs. He was in for a surprise though. Guess what happened?
What? What happened?
Well, we took some eggs back home, and one day, Fred woke up with bites all over his body. Turns out, it wasn't frog eggs after all. It was mosquito eggs.
Ah, poor Fred.
I know. he did find real frog eggs eventually. He told me that they were very, very special, but I don't know what happened to them.
Oh god, almost spoiled it. Almost darn spoiled it. Maybe you can figure it out for yourself, because those frog eggs, they are important. Well, okay, let's run forward, jump. Well, gameplay and stuff. There are a lot of, well, empty spaces in this video. It's just that I'm playing the game, and it's a nice game to just play and experience. And here is the end of the level. Watch.
These blue lights. Did Fred put them here? Or was somebody else here as well?
Boom. And, well, gonna